rest of the day. So I think if people, younger entrepreneurs can spend some time, and Parikshit is going to be around to spend and share some more insights one-on-one. So when he started, he mentioned in cities like Bombay, most of us tend to solve problems which are more like California problems, valley problems. But when you come to tier 2 cities like Jaipur, you see real on-ground entrepreneurs looking at some real Indian problems. So the next segment is interesting. This is where we're going to invite entrepreneurs and founders from Jaipur here to share what kind of problem are they solving and talk more about what they're doing. This is called Open Pitches, and BC would probably share more light on how this works.
So Open Pitches is basically, the definition is inherent in the word. You get on stage, you get 60 seconds to pitch your case to potential anybody's in the audience. Now this could be partners, it could be employees, it could be venture capitalists, it could be mentors, or it just could be customers, right? That is the agenda. Now I was speaking to a couple of teams outside when Coffee and Tea was going on, and I realized that everybody doesn't have their heads around the format. So very, very quickly, and I know this is last minute notice, but startups are all about agility. It's how you turn on a dime. So this is a great test of how you can actually turn on a dime. The format is that you will have 60 seconds. The grace is that you will have no Q&A, right? Otherwise people will tear into, I know better than you, and let me tell you how to run your business, and I have this great idea that you should use, or employ me, or one of these things. So no Q&A. So we'll protect you from all that. But in those 60 seconds, what are you supposed to say? So I'll break it down into 4 halves very quickly, and please refine your pitches accordingly. This is the turn on the dime part, right? So I'm giving you the format now, and I expect you to be ready 60 seconds down the line. The format is, what pain are we solving? That's the first point, right? The second is, how do we do it? Right? So this is the pain, and this is how we're planning to solve it. Most open pitches, we realize, are in the idea phase or in the before prototype phase. There are very few businesses that actually come and open pitch. So a third component could be, why are we the best to solve this problem? So what makes you a God's gift to mankind, or better than baked bread, at sliced bread, at solving this problem, right? And the fourth, and you can leave it out if you don't see the VC types getting excited, is how do we plan to make money? Right? So roughly, what is our business model? Do we charge a subscription? Is it a B2B? Is it a B2B2C? Is it a B2C? Oh, I should have 3 articles of clothing off by now. I'm sorry. So who are your customers? How do you plan to make money from them? These are the 4 broad things. I'll repeat them again just for comprehension. What is the pain that we are solving? How do we solve it? What makes us the best team or group of people to solve this problem? And how are we planning to make money? Are you guys clear? Any questions? In 60 seconds, you don't need to do arithmetics. You can, kind of spend 20 seconds on the problem if you think that derives more impact, and so on and so forth. There's no strict limit within the minute on how you want to divide it. Clear?
BC, are we allowed to pitch to investors or potential employees or clients?
Yes, of course. You can use that as your sign-off thing, saying I'm looking for free beer, free food, what we discussed earlier in this session, right? So what are you looking for? Saying I'm looking for free beer, free food. Parikshit has money lying in his treasury, I'd love to get some of my hands on it, I'll give you better interest rates, and so on and so forth. Right? Yeah, you are allowed to do that. You are allowed to be cheeky, cocky, you are allowed to do all that. You have a birthright to do all of this. Clear? The cheekier, the better. Clear? If I can make fun of your balls, you can make fun of the audience. Best of luck.
Great. So can I have the following people around? Pulkit Sharma, Divya Bhandari, Ayush, Rahul Yadav, and Gaurav Maheshwari, in that order. Pulkit Sharma. Do we have a timer around?
Into the 4th row so that it's easier logistically, it's easier for us to spot you, and so on and so forth.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Pulkit, and I'm the founder of hotjeans.com. I'm the founder of hotjeans.com. Yeah. So, yeah, I have been working in the biotech industry for 15 years, and I have developed some devices and platforms for diagnostic testing of genetic diseases. So basically, India is still in a very nascent stage as far as biotech is concerned, and the next revolution of after IT will be biotech. And a lot of the research and work and everything has already been done, and I've already made the prototype, and the platform is able to diagnose virtually any disease that you can think of with a genetic origin. Now, no current company sells any type of product that is similar to this, and the pain point we are handling is that genetic testing is still out of the reach of the common man. It's very expensive, doctors are not aware of it, and our goal is to make it available for everybody at a low cost without compromising on the quality of the test result. So we will be also running CMEs for doctors to raise the awareness, and CMEs and even for awareness of the patients as well.
Everyone, it's Divya here. My business name is Footfall. It's an application which people will get informed about the schemes or scales running around them. We will get going to track the location and going to inform them, going to send message or some updates there so that they can aware that all the brands which are availing sales or discounts, anything, they will get to know. And the key point is the main focus is the people miss many things, many sales, and they keep on waiting for the season sales. They need not to wait for that. Basically, they going to get aware time to time only whenever they wish. It's going to be every company every brand brings the sale at everyone, but people doesn't came to know about this.
हाय आयुष अडानी, मेरा जो आइडिया है वो है मैच योर राइड स्टार्टअप के नाम से। इसके अंदर हम 2 व्हीलर पे शेयरिंग करेंगे एंड वी विल चार्ज 2 रुपीज पर किलोमीटर एंड आवर कमीशन विल बी 50 पैसा पर किलोमीटर। इसका जो पेन है वो हमारे आइडिया में इसलिए आया क्योंकि जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट करंटली है बहुत अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड है, अनरिलायबल है, नो सेफ्टी इशू, कुछ भी वुमेन्स के लिए कोई सेफ्टी नहीं है, और जो 3 व्हीलर है वो बार्गेनिंग इशू रहते हैं, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, गाली गलौज से बात करते हैं, रात को कोई सेफ्टी नहीं है। तो हमारा जो रहेगा वो एप्लीकेशन पे रहेगा, 1 टैप पे बुकिंग हो जाएगी आपकी राइड की, और उसके अंदर आप बता सकते हैं कि आपका राइडर कब आपको लेने आ रहा है। ये स्टॉप टू स्टॉप सर्विस रहेगी, सारी प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल रहेगा, एंड्रॉइड, iOS एंड विंडोज। इसके अंदर वार्निंग टोन रहेगी कि अगर स्पीड लिमिट से ऊपर जाता है राइडर तो उसको वाइब्रेशन आएगा, 60 सेकेंड मिलेंगे उसको एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए किसी पिलन को, और सबसे अच्छी रहेगी हम कार्बन एमिशंस डाउन कर रहे हैं, फ्यूल कंजप्शन कम कर रहे हैं, वी आर कंजर्विंग द रिसोर्सेज। तो हमारा लिए ये सबसे सेल्स स्ट्रेटजी हमने इसकी बहुत अच्छी रखी है। हम इसमें रेफरल अवार्ड्स देंगे पेट्रोल पंप पे।
Whenever you see an Indian truck running on an Indian road driven by an illiterate driver and owned by a semi-literate owner, you can easily imagine a deficit of technology and analytics in this industry. Realizing this scope of value addition, I founded ExisTrack, which aims to increase the fleet utilization of Indian commercial fleet, saving some more INRs for our clients and saving some more import of petroleum to the nation. So how we are doing it? First, number 1, through GPS-based solutions for advanced tracking and administration. Number 2, simple to use but meaningful data analytics for transporters. Now going forward, we are planning, we see some more gaps in Indian transportation industry which we want to fill. For example, we want to launch an e-commerce for to connect consignors and transporters. About our team, I am the founder, IITB grad 2005 batch. Apart from that, we have an IIM Lucknow grad on our team and another IITB grad for CG. Now this platform, we are looking for some Chinese investors to invest in our.
And why are we doing? We provide internships, and why we do this is because we want to address the problem of employability factors to the students, so that they can have some good experiences, learn from internship, and have a very good career. Okay, so next thing, basic funda of lead intern is if you have skills, we have internships, and if you don't have skills, we still have people who can teach you, and then you get some internships. Okay, how we charge is we charge students out of this stipend. We are up and running, we are doing really good on a small scale, but if we can get a good support on the side of ventures and corporate side who can tie up with us, we can do really well in future.